Complete solution. This knock sensor kit includes 2 knock sensors and the wiring harness that connects them. Plug-and-play installation. Matches original wiring harness, requiring no cutting or splicing. Quality assured. Benchmarked against original components for performance and quality. Excellent value. Original equipment quality at significant cost savings. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Check engine light on and vehicle running rough? Could be a failed knock sensor. This ignition knock sensor kit combines both necessary sensors and the wiring harness that joins them for a complete repair in one package. Top reviews from the United States. God quality item. I install knock sensor on LS1 engine God product for nice price.